I'm going to show you how to use our motif mould. This is from the Art Deco range that we do. It's got 3 nice, simple, pretty, lacy pieces on it. And usually with the moulds, I dust the mould with corn flour first before I put the paste in. This time with this mould, I'm going to brush the mould with pearl luster instead. And I'm going to use our vanilla or marshmallow sugar paste. If you haven't got this paste, you can use other sugar pastes, but you would need to add Tylo or CMC to them to firm them up a little bit. So this is my marshmallow or vanilla. I've just coloured it with some paste colouring. I've just kneaded it to make it smooth, just flattened it a little bit, place it in the mould and start to press in. And I can press really firmly because it's the right paste to use in this mould. It really helps. It's not going to stick. So I'm pressing as firmly as I can to push it up into those little points and corners. If you do between 2 fingers like that, sideways and down, it will go up into the corners. So that's about right now. If there's not enough, you can add some to the back. Let's pretend I've put too much in, just so I can show you how to take the excess off. You just take it over to the edge and just trim it off with your thumb, and then brush back the edges into the mould so the edges are clean. So that now is ready to come out. Okay, it's level with the back, it's not going over the edge anywhere. Just turn the mould over and bend and it will just peel out. Okay, now I take the luster brush and just polish over that piece, give it a really good shine. And then I'll just do one of the other pieces to show you the shape of the other piece. These two pieces now are the same, just in reverse of each other. So you can either, when you apply them to the cakes, you can either put them all in the same direction or opposite each other for a different effect. So I've kneaded it again, make it smooth. And again, I'll show you how to take it off because there's far too much there. So I'll just push that in, right down. And I don't move along any long pieces. You don't move any further along until you've got it level and flat before you move on to the next part. So then just take it off with your thumb and that's ready to come out. Again, just turn over, bend the mould and flex and that will just come out. And again, polish it with your brush. And then if you mould the other piece, the opposite piece, these can make a nice pattern putting them this way, or you can use this as a border around the edge, which you'll see on the cake later. The other thing you can do to add more sparkle is to just add a mist of water and a little pinch of magic sparkles, which have been ground finer. You can give it a nice little sparkle. On the middle tier, I've used the Art Deco motif to make a side design using the 2 opposite pieces. So I've done an edge, piped an edge with a number 1 nozzle, and then at the bottom I've piped some scrolls with a rope nozzle and then over piped with a 2 and a 1. When it's dry, you mix isopropyl alcohol with pearl luster and paint over the piping. And on the bottom tier I've done exactly the same, but just used 1 piece of the motif to, the same piece all around the bottom for an edge. Thank you for watching our video, hope you've enjoyed it. If you'd like to see some more, we've got plenty on our website, www.karendaviscakes.co.uk, or visit our YouTube channel.